Your 2022-2023 Polestar 2 key fob uses a CR2032 battery. Over time, usually 1 to 2 years, this battery drains, causing issues with locking, unlocking, or starting your car. This video guides you through a quick and easy DIY replacement, saving you time and money compared to dealership service. We'll cover everything you need to know for a successful battery swap. How do you know it's time for a new battery? Common signs include reduced range when using the remote lock or unlock, needing to be very close to the car for the digital key to work, or the car displaying a low battery warning on the infotainment screen. Intermittent functionality or complete failure of the key fob are also key indicators. Don't ignore these symptoms, as a dead battery can leave you stranded. Before you start, gather these essential items: a new CR2032 battery, available at most auto parts or drugstores for around $5 to $10. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to avoid metal damage. Work in a clean, static-free workspace to prevent electrostatic discharge. Optionally, have a small Phillips screwdriver handy, although most Polestar 2 fobs don't require it. Having these ready ensures a smooth replacement process. Locate the small seam on the back of your Polestar 2 key fob. Carefully insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into this seam. Gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the fob. Be patient and avoid excessive force to prevent cracking the plastic casing. Once open, you'll see the battery compartment. With the fob open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the orientation. Usually, the positive plus side faces up. Use your finger or the pry tool to gently lift the battery out of its compartment. If there's a retaining clip, disengage it first. Proper removal is key to avoid damaging the battery contacts. Now we'll install the new CR2032 battery into the key fob compartment. First, take the new CR2032 battery. Ensure it's a fresh one from a reliable source. Insert the battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side marked with a plus sign is facing up. Press down gently on the battery until it clicks into place or feels securely seated. Double-check the battery orientation before closing the fob. The positive side should be up for proper function. First, align the two halves of the key fob. Position the front and back pieces so that the buttons and key blade are properly aligned. Next, gently snap the two halves back together. Press them firmly until you hear or feel them click into place. Then, check that the seam is closed tightly and securely. The two halves should fit together without gaps. Finally, test the key fob's functionality. Press the lock, unlock, and panic buttons. The LED light should illuminate, and your Polestar 2 should respond accordingly. This confirms the battery replacement was successful. If the key fob doesn't work after battery replacement, start by double-checking the battery orientation. Also verify the battery is new and has proper voltage above 2.7 volts to ensure reliability. If issues persist, reprogram the key fob through the car's infotainment system under Settings, Vehicle, then Key Management. In rare cases of internal damage, seek professional repair or replacement. Always use quality batteries to prevent corrosion.